Hi, it's Beth again, your instructor for Writing 122. I've already recorded a video for you, welcoming you to the class, telling you about how this class works. But now I'd like to spend just a couple of minutes talking about these special times that we seem to be living in as the pandemic continues and continues for more months. I am so impressed with you for continuing your formal education in these difficult times when we don't know from one day to the next whether we're going to have to sequester in place or can go out, and what about masks? Please be assured Lane is here. Lane has plenty of resources for you, whether you can go on campus or not. This course has always been an online class, so it really has not changed. And the resources, as I said, are always there. And I'm here. I'm here for you. I am available in terms of Zoom calls, phone calls, emails, text messages, whatever it takes. Reach out to me. And let's see if we can all get through this course as strong as we possibly can. Good luck to you all. We're in it together. Thanks.